Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Aditi Sigowda, studying in Sri Venkateshwara College of Engineering from Department of Computer Science and Engineering. My topic is application of optical fibers in a field of telecommunication and celicious body. So let's know about what are optical fibers. An optical fibers it is a flexible glass or a plastic fiber that can be transmit light from one end to the another. Such fibers find wide usage in fiber optic communications where they permit transmission over a longer distance and at a higher bandwidth. Then electrical cables, fibers are used instead of a metal wires because signals travel along them with a less loss. In addition, fibers are immune to electromagnetic interference, a problem from which metal wires suffer. Fibers are also used for illumination and imaging and are often wrapped in a bundles so they may be used to carry light into or images out of confined spaces as in the case of a fiber scope. Specially designed fibers are also used for a variety of other applications such as fiber optic sensors and fiber lasers. So next we come to the working mechanism of optical fibers. An optical fiber is a cylindrical waveguide that is generally used for both long distance or wideband communication as well as short distance communication. Optical fibers are generally made up of drawing glasses, silica or plastic. The diameter of a single strand of optical fiber is slightly thicker than the diameter of a human hair. A number of such strands arranged in the form of bundle are known as optical fiber cables. An optical communication model typically makes use of light source and a network of optical fibers to transmit data from one place to another. The optical fiber cable serves to be a medium that carries the data contained by the light ray and transmits the information to the receiver. An optical fiber communication system in a reliable mode of communication as there are minimum chances of electromagnetic interference. Optical fibers are flexible, lightweight, slim and non-flammable in nature. Optical communication is generally performed over other modes of communication due to fewer changes of signal degradation, high data security, cost effectiveness and low power consumption. The single bandwidth of an optical fiber is generally equal to 900 Hz. Optical fibers are widely used in a various medical equipment and research laboratory machines. Fairy lights and other decorative equipment also make use of optical fibers. So let's know about advantages of optical fibers. Broad bandwidth. Broadband communication is a very much possible over fiber optics, which means that audio signal, video signal, microwave signal, text and data from computers. It is possible to transmit around 3 lakh full duplex voice or 90,000 TV channels over one optic fibers. Next is electrical insulator. Optical fibers are made and drawn from silica glasses which is non-conductor of electricity and so there are no ground loops and leakage of any type of current. Optical fibers are thus laid down along with the high voltage cables on the electricity poles due to its electrical insulator behavior. So next goes to immunity to electromagnetic interference. The optical fibers is electrically non-conductive, so it does not act as to pick up electromagnetic signals which may be present nearby. So let's come to a low attenuation loss over long distance. These are the various optical windows in the optical fiber cable at which the attenuation loss is found to be comparatively low, and so transmitter and receiver devices are developed and used in these low attenuation regions. Due to low attenuation of 0.2 km in optical fiber cables, it is possible to achieve long distance communication efficiently over information capacity rate of 1 Tbit seconds. Next, lack of costly metal conductor. The use of optical fibers do not require the huge amount of copper conductor used in a conventional cable systems. In recent times, this copper has become a target for widespread metal theft due to its value on the scrap market. So let's go to applications of optical fibers in the field of telecommunication. Fiber optic communication as the telecommunication industry, it has also made its presence widely felt within the data networking communication as well. Using fiber optic cable, optical communications have enabled a telecommunications links to be made over much greater distance and with much lower levels of loss in the transmission medium. And possibly most important of all, fiber optical communication has enabled much higher data rates to be accumulated. As a result of these advantages, fiber optic communication systems are widely employed for applications ranging from major telecommunication backbone infrastructure to broadband distributions and general data networking. Since the earliest day of telecommunication, there have been ever increasing need to be a transmit more data even faster. Initially, single line wires were used. These gave way to a cable that enabled several channels to transmit it over the same cable. However, these systems were limited in a bandwidth and optical systems were investigated. So let's go to the application of optical fibers in a Celsius body. Fiber satellite distribution is a technology that enables a satellite TV signals from an antenna to be distributed using an optical fiber cable infrastructure and then converted to electrical signals for use the conventional set-top box receivers, particularly applicable to satellite TV distribution systems in a multi-dwelling unit such as a block of flats and such as a hybrid fiber electrical system reduces the cabling required, reduces signal noises and interference, and provides for an easy upgrade to increase the number of tuners connected at each dwelling. Conventional systems that distribute and the electrical satellite signal via a star of network and require one relatively short cable run from the central distribution equipment to each turner connected to the system. Whereas in a fiber system, cables can be very long and split at successive locations in a tree structure without determinant to the reception. Thank you for watching my video. Please do like, share and subscribe.